Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Today I will be sharing an easy vegan tofu recipe. Tofu is a vegan food high in protein. For this dish, we need 5 tofus cut into small cubes. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and let it marinate for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the gravy. In a blender, add 4 bulbs of garlic, 2 inches of ginger, 3 inches of turmeric roots, 8 green chilies, and a little water. Blend to a fine paste and set it aside. In a wok, heat some oil and fry the tofu. Just brown it on the outside a little, but don't let it get too crispy. Be sure to flip and fry all other sides as well. Once done, remove and set it aside. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil and add in the blended ingredients. If you are new to this channel, please take a few moments to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest recipe. Stir slowly and let it simmer for a moment. Next, add a stalk of lemongrass, a slice of tamarind, and salt to taste. Stir and let it simmer for a while until the oil separates. Add 1 large thinly sliced onion. Stir until onions are tender. Next, add the fried tofu. Stir gently to coat all the tofu with gravy. Cover the pan for a few minutes until the gravy thickens. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Allow the gravy to slightly dry out before removing. Tofu masak hijau or tofu in green gravy is ready to be served. For garnishing, I will be using a few mint leaves from my garden. I hope you enjoyed my recipe for this video. See you in the next one. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for my latest recipes. And don't forget to like, comment and share.